Did you know that India produces 3.3 million tons of plastic waste every year? So, what's the solution to this problem? Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting solution which is going to kill two birds with one stone. Or, I should say, it's going to solve two problems with one solution. Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great time. Your friend Book Teddy is back after a long time. It's good to see you all after such a long time. So going to today's topic, we are going to talk about a big hairy problem. The problem of plastic, and still we cannot do without it. Buying groceries, ordering stuff online, drinking water, cooking food, taking a bath. Plastic products are everywhere. We bring home loads of things in plastic bags and then discard loads of plastic bags as well. Still, Indian homes throw away much less plastic. Most of the Indian homes store the plastic bags, usually below their mattresses or in a big plastic bag, and try to use and reuse the plastic again and again. Still, the problem is growing. Right now, we produce around 15,000 tons of plastic waste every day. And do you know that only 9% of it is recycled and the rest ends up in our landfills to pollute our soil, water bodies and oceans to pollute our water, and burnt to create air pollution? So, what are we doing about it? Okay, so leave the plastic problem aside. Let's talk about another issue. In any developing country, road infrastructure is a big issue. Most of the roads, especially the ones in rural areas, are built with a layer of tar. These roads get degraded very quickly, get inundated with potholes, and become dangerous for driving. Thousands of people die or get crippled every year in accidents due to poor roads. So, what are we doing about that? Two problems, one solutions. Make roads out of plastic, simple. Rajagopalan Vasudevan, a professor from Madurai's Tyagarajar College of Engineering, created the solution. The solution is to make roads out of plastic. And he is the first person in the world to have come up with this innovative solution. How is this road made? The process is quite simple. Pick up the plastic waste and take it through three processes: cleaning, drying, and shredding. Any kind of plastic is usually okay for this. Then these shredded pieces of plastic are heated to 165 degrees Celsius and added to the bitumen mix, which is also heated to 160 degrees. Depending on quality of bitumen mix, 10 to 30% of it is replaced with plastic. Since both of them are petroleum products, they mix easily with each other, and then this mixture can be used to construct roads. No extra investment in terms of machinery, no extra investment in terms of skill, nothing. And if you are using 30% of plastic, which comes for free instead of tar, you are actually saving costs. Indore Municipal Corporation saves up to 2,500 rupees every time it uses 1,000 kilos of plastic waste to build roads. Vasudevan was awarded India's fourth highest civilian honor, Padma Shri, in 2018 for his pioneering work. But are these plastic roads any good? Good? I should say they are better than asphalt roads in so many terms. How? Plastic roads have better wear resistance than asphalt concrete roads. They do not absorb water because of the property of plastic, have better flexibility, less rutting, and less need for repair. So say goodbye to potholes and cracks. And also, the surface of these roads remains smooth and absorbs sound better. Also, this mixture allows lower working temperature, which lowers the carbon monoxide emissions. The only downside, it may result in seepage of microplastics in soil and water resources. India is making loads and loads of roads with waste plastic. Chennai was the first city to implement this solution. The city has built roads using more than 1 lakh kilos of plastic. Indore, the cleanest city in India, recycles 100% of its plastic waste and has built 45 kilometers of road with this waste. If you have not watched my video on cleanest city in India, you can watch it here. So 11 states, more than 11 states have implemented this solution, and more than 1 lakh kilometer of roads have been built with waste plastic. Pune, Surat, Meghalaya, Tripura are some of the better examples. People here are so happy with these roads because these roads do not have problems of potholes or cracks, especially during the monsoons. So instead of exporting its waste to other countries, India is trying to address the problem of plastic in an innovative way. Many other countries like UK, Australia and Pakistan are also following its lead. So remember, do not throw away your plastics. Reduce, reuse and recycle, and definitely try to find out a recycling center of plastic near you. So friends, did you like today's video? If you found it interesting, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press on the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.